Okay, today's video is about the basic set of electrical tools that the average facilities maintenance technician would need to perform his job. So this tool here is designed to test a 120 volt outlet. You plug it into the outlet, and depending on what lights turn on, will tell you if it's wired correctly, if there's an open ground, open neutral, open hot, etc. A tool that you use a lot as a facilities maintenance technician for electrical troubleshooting is a multimeter. So this one is a Klein meter, but there's different manufacturers. This here is called Ugly's Electrical Reference Guide. It has power factor correction, how to find impedance, Ohm's law, capacitance, how to find watts. And this chart here contains the formulas related to Ohm's law. So this is a handy little guide for electricians, facilities maintenance technicians. This here is a wire marker kit, little booklet with numbers and letters to mark your wires. The little stickers that you can peel off and label your wires. So that comes in handy. It'd be good to have an assortment of different size wire nuts. Of course, electrical tape. This screwdriver here, it has Phillips on one end, flathead on the other, and hex driver too. Side cutters, wire crimper strippers. This one here, you can crimp wire connectors onto conductors and strip the insulation off. This one you can't crimp any connectors on. So that's something to be mindful of. Fuse puller pliers, lineman's pliers, channel locks. Channel locks are great for installing conduit connectors on like a junction box. But again, these are just sort of the basic tools that are very helpful to have as a facilities maintenance technician. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop me a comment for what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks.